Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet this little chicken. The chicken is actually an egg, and with this egg I crocheted to the bunny and 3 colored eggs. For these bunnies and eggs and for this basket can you find video tutorial below in descriptions. And for this chicken and bunny I have returning pattern tool in my online shop. Link is too in descriptions. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. The chicken I will crochet with the cotton yarn. It's Catania from Schachenmeier, but you can use any cotton yarn. And matching crochet hook I use 2.5 mm. We need scissors, sewing needle, toy stuffing and the eyes. I crochet from this side, this way, and I crochet in spiral rounds. I start with the magic ring. And crochet first round 8 single crochet in the ring, seven and 8. Now pull yarn and close the ring. Now second round I start in this first stitch and crochet 2 single crochet in every stitches. At the end I have 16 stitches. Mark the last stitch and crochet round 3, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 24 stitches. Round 4, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round, and the end I have 30 stitches. Round 5 I will increase the stitches only 3 times, 1 single crochet in first 9 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 33 stitches. Round 6 I will not increase the stitches always on the same place, therefore I will divisible first 10 stitches. And here I will crochet 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, again 10 stitches, 2 in the next stitch and 1 single crochet in last 5 stitches. I divisible these 10 stitches. At the end I have 36 stitches. Round 7, 1 single crochet in first 11 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 39 stitches. Round 8 and 9, 1 single crochet in every stitches. Round 10, from now on I will decrease the stitches and I crochet 1 single crochet in first 11 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 36 stitches, but I will show you how you can invisible decrease the stitches. I crochet 11 single crochet and 11, and now next 2 stitches together, but in the next stitch only in the front loop, in the next stitch again in the front loop. Now pull yarn through first 2 loops, again pull yarn and through next 2 loops. and continue 1 single crochet in next 11 stitches, round 11, 1 single crochet in every stitches. I will not decrease the stitches on the same place too, therefore in round 12 I crochet 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches, next 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, 2 stitches together, 10 stitches, 2 stitches together, and 1 single crochet in the last 5 stitches. At the end I have 33 stitches. Round 13, 1 single crochet in every stitches. Round 14, 1 single crochet in first 9 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 30 stitches. Round 15, divisible first 8 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 4 stitches, 2 stitches together, 8 stitches, 2 stitches together, 8, 2 stitches together, and 1 single crochet in the last 4 stitches. At the end I have 27 stitches. Round 16, 1 single crochet in first 7 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 24 stitches. Round 17, divisible first 6 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, next 2 stitches together, 6 stitches, 2 stitches together, 6, 2 stitches together, and 1 single crochet in the last 3 stitches. At the end I have 21 stitches. Round 18, 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 18 stitches. Now I will place the eyes between round 12 and 13, distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. Now looks like this, and I can stuff the chicken for the first time. Continue round 19, divisible first 4 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, next 2 stitches together, 4, 2 stitches together, 4, 2 stitches together, and 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. At the end I have 15 stitches. Round 20, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 12 stitches. Now I stuff the chicken for the second time. I use wooden stick. The last round, 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 6 stitches. Finish work with the slip stitch in the next stitch. Cut yarn and leave yarn 20 cm long and pull yarn. And if you want, you can stuff the chicken for the last time. At the end, sew this hole and close the ring in every stitches, only in the front loops. And now pull yarn and close the hole and sew yarn in the head. And now looks like this. Now I will crochet this little comb with red yarn. I start with the knot stitch and crochet 19 chain stitches. And 19. Skip the first stitch and one double crochet in next 2 stitches. And 2. Slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, again 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, and this repeat to the end of row, slip stitch in the last stitch, cut yarn and leave 20 cm long and pull yarn. Now fold this together in the middle and sew this side together. Place the comb on the head and sew it together. I sew the beak here in this middle stitch. I come from this side here and now in this stitch and again in this first stitch. One more time. And now in this stitch on this side. And cut both these 2 yarns. At the end I crochet these little wings. I start with the magic ring. And crochet first round 6 single crochet in the ring, and 6, pull yarn and close the ring, second round 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. At the end I have 9 stitches. Repeat to the end of round. Round 3, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 12 stitches. Push this on the front side. And now round 4 and 5, 1 single crochet in every stitches. Round 6 I will decrease the stitches, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 9 stitches. Finish work with the slip stitch in the next stitch, cut yarn and pull yarn. And now I will sew both these sides together. And the second wing the same. Now I will place the wings on the body, and I can do it horizontally like this or diagonally like this. This is the first. This above side is in this row where I have the eyes, and the next side the same, and then I sew these wings. And the chickens are ready for Easter. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.